Most of the time when people tell me God told me to tell you something, I think that what they say to me is stupid. One time, this girl told me, God told me to tell you that he's not done with you yet. And I said, well, that's great because I'm only 17. So could you tell him, thanks for not giving up on me? But in this moment, there was no doubt in my mind that this was from God. Not even to mention the fact that I was the only person in my apartment that said that. There's no way he would have known that. But the second reason it meant so much to me was it proved to me that Dad is still here. And I know this room is full of people representing so many loved ones that we've lost. And I know what Christmas is like. To feel that missing piece of your heart that was previously there for so long. And so I just pray that this is a story that reminds us all that those people that we love and that we're missing, they're still here. Merry Christmas, everybody.